Know that just a few minutes of the Sternum Dhyana Mudra technique can significantly reduce stress and anxiety levels? Yep, you heard that right. Imagine being able to take a break from all the chaos around you and find your calm in just a short amount of time. Sounds amazing, right? In this video, you'll learn about the powerful Sternum Dhyana Mudra technique and how it can help you de-stress and find inner peace. Trust me, this technique is super easy to do and can fit into anyone's daily routine. So, whether you're at home, at work, or even on the go, you'll be able to incorporate it seamlessly. Many people struggle with stress and anxiety in their daily lives. You might be one of those folks who feels overwhelmed with work, school, or just the daily grind. It can be tough when you're dealing with constant pressure, whether it's deadlines, responsibilities, or even personal challenges. You might find yourself feeling anxious and unsure how to cope effectively. That's where techniques like Sternum Dhyana Mudra come in. It's all about finding practical ways to manage those feelings and reclaiming your peace of mind. Now, let's dive deeper into the origins of the Sternum Dhyana Mudra. This technique has roots in ancient Indian practices, where it was used to channel energy and promote calmness. By placing your hands in a specific position at your sternum, you're not just doing a physical gesture, you're tapping into a powerful tool for mindfulness. The benefits of this mudra are incredible. It helps to ground your energy, ease feelings of anxiety, and even improve your focus. Plus, it's super easy to do. In just a moment, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to practice it for maximum effect. Just picture this. You can take a few minutes out of your day to reconnect with yourself and let go of all that stress weighing you down. Okay, now let's get into the fun part, the guided demonstration of the Sternum Dhyana Mudra. Find a comfortable seated position and gently place your hands together at your heart center. Take a deep breath in, feeling your chest rise, and as you exhale, gently press your palms together. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly. Feel that immediate sense of calm wash over you. Let's do this together for a few moments. Feel the tension releasing as you breathe out, and remind yourself that this is your time to relax. Isn't that just wonderful? You can come back to this technique whenever you need a quick reset throughout your day. To wrap up, we've highlighted how the Sternum Dhyana Mudra can be a simple yet powerful tool for managing stress and enhancing your well-being. It's all about taking those few precious minutes to reconnect with yourself and find that inner peace we all crave. If you found this technique helpful, be sure to check out my other videos on mindfulness and meditation. I've got tons of tips and tricks to help you on your journey to a more relaxed life. And of course, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and I'm excited for you to start using the Sternum Dhyana Mudra in your daily routine. To know more about the inner Yatra, visit www.thaineryatra.com. Thank you.